सेलिंग एसोसिएशन और लेज़र क्लास एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया की जानिब से 11 रोज़ा लेज़र नेशनल कोचिंग कैंप का एहतमाम हुसैन सागर लेक पर किया गया है, जिसका इफ्तिताह आज बरोज़े इतवार को किया गया है। इस कैंप में रियासत के मुख्तलिफ अजला से सेलर्स ने हिस्सा लिया। ये कैंप 1 अगस्त से 11 अगस्त तक जारी रहेगा और 11 अगस्त को नेशनल कोचिंग कैंप का इफ्तिताह रियासती गवर्नर टी सुंदरा राजन के हाथों अमल में आएगा। इस मौके पर चीफ कोच अर्जुना अवार्डर, एशियन गेम्स मेडलिस्ट कैप्टन राजेश चौधरी के अलावा दीगर भी मौजूद थे। आइए देखते हैं रूबरू न्यूज़ की ये खास रिपोर्ट। हर अहम और ख़ास खबर के लिए रूबरू न्यूज़ को यूट्यूब पर सब्सक्राइब करें, फेसबुक पर लाइक करें, इंस्टाग्राम और ट्विटर पर फॉलो करें।
और काइट बोर्डिंग क्लास जो है वो एशियन या ओलंपिक क्लास के बोर्ड्स होने वाले हैं। ड्यू टू हिज फोरसाइट वी हैव ऑलरेडी प्रोक्योर्ड द इक्विपमेंट ऑफ काइट बोर्डिंग एज ऑल्सो RS Aero class, and it is thanks to his profound vision that we have all that training which has started at the EME Sailing Association. As you're already aware, 2 of the members of the Laser Club Association of India are already presently participating in the Tokyo Olympics. So we thank you, sir, for your vision and for your initiative in taking EME Sailing Association and the Laser Club Association of India to where it is today. To mark the beginning of the proceedings, may I now request General Narayanan, Commodore EME Sailing Association and President of the Laser Club Association of India, to kindly deliver the inaugural address.
Coaching camp, friends and the media, the dear media. First of all, I will take this opportunity to welcome all of you for this coaching camp of National Laser Coaching Camp. This being conducted under the aegis of EME Sailing Association and the Laser Class Association of India. We are very happy to see that we have got a good response of sailors to come to this laser coaching camp. It's a clear indication of the increasing popularity of these sports in our country, and that goes very well for the future of this sailing as such. We have tried to accommodate maximum participants so that more sailors could be accommodated for this coaching camp. We want to develop a pool of talent so that our talent for the country increases tremendously. As you are aware, any sports is just not a physical activity. It is an education by itself. Sailing as a sport is unique because a good sailor represents a perfect harmony between a man and between a man, I will say not only between a man, between a human and nature. Right from rigging the boat to getting them down to the water, everything is linked to the nature. First of all, catching the wind in the sails, not only nature, the complete sailing is linked to the physics also, I'll put it that way. So it is a combination of nature and physics which will teach you the ability to do sailing, and that is why this coaching camp is there, to tell you exactly how to do the sailing. Because when you want to take a boat at 45 degrees for the maximum speed, it has got a technique to do it. So that is what our great coach, Honorary Captain Rajesh Chaudhary, will teach you. As the chief coach, to come and train our young boys and girls. We have got large number of entries for this national coaching camp, and it is a precursor for Hyderabad Sailing Week, which is going to be held from 13th August to 19th August. And at that time, for Hyderabad Sailing Week, we are going to have our Honorable Governor, Srimati Tamil Sai Soundararajan, for the inaugurating the event. As you are all aware, EME Sailing Association is a very old club. It's a very old, we were the pioneers to start the sailing in India. EME Sailing Association was raised in 1964
and we have been able to give large number of Asian medalists and Olympians for India. So remember, we had Major Basit, the first Olympian as such. Then we had our honorary Captain Rajesh Chaudhary winning 3 Asian Games medals for India. We have a large number of sailors who have contributed to our national and international medals. And EME Sailing Association as such has won more than 150 medals as on date. This Laser Class Association was introduced in 1986. We actually raised it, and this Laser boat since then has been part of the Asian and Olympic medal. We have done well in Laser Class up to Asian level, but it is the first time that 2 individuals have qualified for the Olympics. That is Subhra Saranan from Army Yachting Board